I hate to say it, but the best videos on YouTube are not the ones getting the views. You know which videos are getting the views? It's the ones with the best thumbnails. It's all about appearances. You don't judge a book by its cover, but yo, we're not talking about books. We're talking about YouTube videos. And by the way, they actually do judge books by their covers. Making videos on YouTube is hard enough as it already is, right? All right, I'm gonna be loud and annoying, so I'm gonna get in my phone booth. All right, that kind of sucks though, right? Because if you don't make a good thumbnail, no one's gonna watch it. All your work is for nothing. In this video, I'm gonna show you my 3-minute framework to make super fast, super good thumbnails that get me thousands of views, and I want you to get thousands of views too. So step 1, you make your video. No, the order's important. I want you to make the video first. But while you're editing it, you know, you're gonna skip the whole video. Pause on a part where you look good and you're gonna screenshot it. On a Mac, I can tell you the one I like is Shift-Command-5. Why that one? I just pause it while I'm editing, find a great looking part, Shift-Command-5, and then Oh, hello, I'm Ed, and I'm a business owner. And if you're a business owner too, like me, you need to come to my small business growth group where we talk about how to grow your small business. It's a free mastermind. Join me there twice a week, every week. Link in description. Now back to the video. Shift-Command-5, and then I select, I click and I drag and I click, copy it to the clipboard. I paste that part into Canva. Looks like this, right? I might have to put edit, adjust. I usually use auto adjust. After that, what do? I use these fonts, Mont, and then I bold it, and then I use a little effect in Canva called Lift. It gives you this little darkened thing around the sides. Then I just type my words in all caps. Less words, bigger words, get you the click. When people are scrolling, this thing is super small. It's like that tiny. They look at it for less than a half second. If it doesn't register, if you put 20 words on there, they're like, scroll. They just keep going to the next one. Here's the trick. You don't just make one, you make 3. 1, 2, 3. Do something called a thumbnail test. A good title is also super important. Remember, people are judging your book by its cover all day. This is YouTube. The title and the thumbnail is everything. I used to read a lot of comic books. The comic art on the cover is some of the best art in the whole book, right? Same thing for your YouTube. You gotta make sure that the words on this thing really hit. My thumbnails on yesterday's bad boy were endless content, what to post, and never run out of ideas. This actually is a contrast with the actual name of the video, which was how to never run out of video ideas. And that's it. It's like an alternate title. Most of your titles should be more than 2 words on YouTube, but sum it up in 2 words, never run out. Like something surprising. ChatGPT, if you're not creative, is super helpful, or just throw it at me in the comments. I answer all my comments, by the way, if you never noticed. So congratulations, you just got hours of your life back. You want to know how to make a really easy 2-minute video on the weekend, because I want my weekend and you should want it too. So watch this video.